I'm looking at you.
Yes.
So we're good? Okay.
Yes.
You had a trouble look on your face.
I was making sure that it was taking a minute to start, but it is starting.
Okay. Good afternoon and welcome to our Home ARP Substantial Amendment public meeting. My name is Kelly Russell. Today you'll hear from myself and our consultant from Urban Design Ventures, Carl Hagelin. For our agenda, we're going to tell you why we're here and what we're here to talk about and discuss. We've already done the introductions. We're going to tell you a little bit about Home ARP, what are the qualifying populations. We'll review our Home ARP budget. We'll also go through our actual substantial amendment to HUD, and we'll also have a peer where we'll discuss any questions and follow-up. So what is Home ARP? Congress appropriated $5 billion in American Rescue Plan funds to address the need for homelessness assistance and supportive services. Per federal requirements, these funds must benefit those who are in qualifying populations. So what are qualifying populations? With Home ARP, there are 4 qualifying populations: those who are homeless, those who are at risk of homelessness, those those fleeing or attempting to flee either domestic violence, dating violence, sexual violence, or trafficking. And lastly, other populations for whom supportive services will prevent homelessness or serve those at greatest risk of housing instability. In terms of our Home ARP budget, we allocated $500,000 to supportive services, $1.5 million for the acquisition and development of non-congregate shelter, a little over $5.5 million for the development of affordable rental housing, and a little over $834,000 for administration and planning, all for a total HOME-ARP allocation of $8.3 million plus. In terms of our substantial amendment timeline, we had a newspaper notice that was published in the Tribune Review on Monday, April 21st. Then our plan has been on, since then also, our plan has been on display since April 21st. Of course, today we're having our public meeting here today at noon. The plan comes off display tomorrow, Wednesday, May 7th. And by the end of this week, Friday, May 9th, we will submit our plan officially to HUD with our substantial amendment. At this time, I'll turn it over to Carl Hagelin to talk about our substantial amendment. Go ahead, Carl.
Thank you, Kelly. Today's substantial amendment of the HOME-ARP allocation plan is dealing with preferences. The city of Pittsburgh would like to create a preference for homeless families, including those fleeing domestic violence, for the HOME-ARP non-congregate shelter project activity. The preference gives homeless/domestic violence family applicants priority for the admission to the HOME-ARP non-congregate shelter projects. Allegheny County's Department of Human Services definition of a family is a household with one or more minor child and one or more adult. All other eligible QP applicants, including homeless QP applicants who do not qualify as family, are selected in chronological order for any units not occupied by homeless family applicants. Homeless QP applicants who are families are prioritized for admission for occupancy based on the length of time they have been homeless. So that will be the change for preferences. The next substantial amendment change that we have on the HOME-ARP allocation plan is for referral methods. The city of Pittsburgh would like to identify the referral method of the coordinated entry system that is operated by Allegheny County's Department of Human Services for the HOME-ARP non-congregate shelter project activities. Coordinated entry system covers Allegheny County in its entirety. The objectives of the coordinated entry system is to ensure streamlined access to Allegheny County's continuum of care homeless response system for all households that are facing housing instability or experiencing homelessness, to ensure that they are matched to an appropriate inventing to end their crisis of homelessness.
Sure. Thank you, Carl. So this is our substantial amendment that we're going to submit to HUD this week. We have already identified a project. Auberly is working on a non-congregate shelter project that we believe will be able to help assist the city of Pittsburgh residents, and is actually a co-funded project with also Allegheny County Economic Development. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, you can always reach us at our email address at community.development@pittsburghpa.gov. We thank you and we appreciate your time. Have a good one.